Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of PS Code. In this video I'm going to share with you the secret tricks that how we can actually hack this Chrome dinosaur game. So in this video I will share you with this two type of dinosaur game hacking and this how we can find this. For example, when we are going to search it anything on this internet and online, so we are getting this type of data anytime here. So and when we are online, this is cutting this online, so here I'm cutting my Wi-Fi here, and then where we are going to search it again, so you can see this here it will be appear this dinosaur game. So maximum time we don't know, some of people is how it's actually play here. If you are this mobile using here, so you just click on it, and when you are using this computer or laptop or PC here, so just you can click on any type of button here in your keyboard, and then it will be start to playing your game. So when we are going to playing it here, so you can see when we turn off it and it was getting this game over. So we can apply here these two tricks that it will never game over in our game, and we can make the highest score here. So first of all I will remove this item from here so that we can get this only the places of our gaming here. So here is the main message. So let's in expectation mode here, and we will go to this edit HTML, and now we'll remove this content, Ctrl plus A plus backspace, and so this item is almost successfully removed from here. So I will increase that size so that you can see what this is smoothly here. So now here you can find this console button here, so just click on it, and here you can keep this, skip the previous, or you can remove it, it will be no matter here. So here I'm making the remove it. This is a fresh content, fresh console here. So now we'll type here and skip that is runner. So here we'll type and skip that is runner, KUNNER, okay, by mistake again, runner dot, here we will type this prototype, and this another one is the game over. So game over, and then is equal to, and then add this, after this add a function. So here I'm adding a function, and then here we'll add a parenthesis open and close, and the curly braces open and close, and click on to enter. So here we are going to trying it, so when we are going to check it here, so you will see that it will be no stop when it's getting the danger, but this game is not stopping, and there is no game over, and this one is working perfectly, and this score is increasing here. So here we can see this type of, we can make this first condition, this first escape, we can deploy this, and we can manipulate this gaming this danger item here. So this game will be never game over. So here we can remove this and remove this, and here I'm going to add another escape that is also the same type. That one is runner and dot instance, and this instance underscore dot game over, okay, that will be game over, and equal to, and here we'll add a equal, and now we'll add a parenthesis function, and then equal to, that is equal to this will be function will be that is greater than equal, okay, equal and greater than, and it will be the parenthesis this curly braces. Here we will add a curly braces function and click on to enter function here. So let's try it open here, and it's still you can see this two type of script we can apply for this hacking this dinosaur game. So it will be never game over, and it will be increase your scoring every time, and it will never be game over. So you can see this time was game over is off, but this level is increasing here, and this game over sound is coming here, but this level was here. You can find this one every time we are getting this level increasing, and this score is increasing. So here never will be the game over. So you can play it here, just sit it back here, and you can see this every time of this level will be increasing here. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like on this and share it with your friends, and please subscribe.